Hi lovelies! I know a lot of you are prepping to head back to work and back to school after what I hope was a really relaxing summer. So I thought it would be a good idea today to share with you what has become my absolute go-to green smoothie. Now, you guys probably know this, but I have a very busy 2.5-year-old toddler at home, as well as a bouncing 6-month-old baby. So mornings in my house are really, really hectic these days. And I'm lucky if I can get any breakfast in at all. And that's why this smoothie has been such a lifesaver. Not only is it super simple to prepare, because of course you're just throwing it all in a blender and giving it a whirl, but it's also packed with all the nutrition I need to get my day started. I have got my handy dandy blender here, and I'm gonna go ahead and add a banana to this. So I love the banana in this recipe because it's got lots of potassium and fiber, which is really important for good digestion. It also helps you feel nice and full throughout the day, so that's something that I really like. The riper your banana, obviously, the sweeter your smoothie will be. You can use a fresh or a frozen banana if you want to make this nice and chilled. A frozen banana is always a great idea. Unfortunately, these days I can't seem to find the time to freeze a banana. I know, how sad is that? But if you have a frozen banana in your freezer, this is of course a great place to use it. Next, for some added creaminess and nice healthy fat, I have got half an avocado. These days, I'm putting avocado in any meal I can because that fat really helps to keep me fuller longer. And because I'm so busy with the baby, oftentimes I'm going long stretches without eating. So avocado really helps to sort of satiate you in the morning. To that, I want to get some greens in. So you guys have probably heard me say this before, but it bears repeating. If you're going to be getting 5 to 10 servings of fruits and vegetables a day, you really have to start in the morning. And of course, if you're not a huge fan of greens, a smoothie is a nice place to sort of sneak them in without even noticing them. Today, I'm using some baby spinach, but you could use baby kale or even baby chard in this recipe, totally up to you. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and add some protein to this. So I have got some vanilla flavored protein powder. This is a pea-based protein powder. You could use whey if you wanted to. Any protein powder will do. I get asked a lot what kind of protein powder I use, and the fact of the matter is, I usually just use whatever protein powder is on sale at the supermarket because it can be a little pricey, right? If you're not a fan of protein powder, you can always swap it in this recipe for some vanilla flavored Greek yogurt. You still get that great protein and that nice vanilla flavor, but without the powder. Definitely up to you. And then the real secret to making this smoothie absolutely incredible is matcha powder. Now, if you're not familiar with matcha powder, it's a super concentrated version of green tea, and it is absolutely loaded with antioxidants, as well as a bit of a caffeine kick. Now, if you're not into caffeine, go ahead and skip the matcha powder, totally fine. But if you're like me and you need that little extra jolt in the morning, matcha powder is a great way to get it. Now, it can be a little on the pricey side, but the good news is a little matcha goes a long way. So I'm using just about a teaspoon in this recipe, and that is absolutely plenty. Then it's just a matter of adding our liquid to our blender. Now, my preference these days is unsweetened oat milk. I'm a big fan, but you could also use almond milk or cashew milk, soy milk, or even dairy milk is totally fine. I like using milk instead of water here because it adds a ton of nice creaminess to this, but it's really up to you. I guess you could also add coconut water to this if you wanted to for some electrolyte goodness. Then it's just a matter of popping a lid on that blender and giving it all a good whirl. Seriously, guys, the only thing better than the color of this smoothie is the flavor. It's nice and thick and rich and delicious. I can't begin to tell you just how much nutrition is packed into this one glass. And the best part is it happens to taste pretty good as well. Honestly, everything you need in a single glass. What could be better than that? It is the perfect way to get your day started on the right foot. Don't believe me? I hope you will give this one a try for yourselves. And if you do, be sure to tweet me, Instagram me, or Facebook me a photo, because you know how much I love seeing your kitchen creations. Remember, this recipe, like all of my recipes, is featured on healthymealplans.com, our amazing meal planning site that allows you to browse more than 1,000 recipes, drag and drop them into your weekly meal plan, and then automatically generates your grocery list for the week. What could be easier? And finally, if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe because there is lots more deliciousness where this came from.